I see you put your nuts on the speakers.
Yep. Dun dun dun.
Done.
Oh yeah, baby.
Calm down. Got
So
all your J
now,
nuts, get everything in.
J nuts and everything are on. So we're good to screw.
We're good to screw.
We're good to screw.
Good job, Wind.
Okay, maybe I shouldn't be talking that way. If you want to get to the other side, because I got to pop this in again.
That was the Jesus telling you to be a good boy.
Don't drag him into this. Don't you think he's been through enough? I mean, come on. Even his own father let him get killed.
Oh, hold on, man. Sit down. Oh. Be good, car. Ooh.
Okay, so.
Mo, your new dash pad is pretty as shit. I love it. It's got to go up, right? And in.
Well, no, we've got metal locking tabs.
Little tabby tabs?
Yep.
Tabby tabs? Oh, yeah, there's tabby tabs. Tabby tabs and speakers.
And I need to make sure that all of that is in its proper place so that I can
Then screw it.
then get the A-pillars in, screw them in, and make sure everything is locked into place properly that way. Oh, God, I love putting together cars. They're wonderful, aren't they?
And then defroster duct and all kinds of stuff. All right. Good job, Scotty. I'll check back with you in a minute.